Okay, this is how you will arrange the pieces. You will place the queen at the block the same with each color. Be sure that it is facing with the opposing queen. The king beside the bishop beside them, the knights beside the bishop, the rook beside the knights, and the pawns are the frontliners. Okay, the white army is the first move. So I will move this pawn. It can only one step. It can only move one block, but you can place it here on your first move, and it moves diagonally when attacking. Huh?
Okay. The knight move across between those of the bishop and the rook. It moves 2 square. Sometimes like an L or like a bishop when he attacks. Like this.
Okay, this is the queen. It is the most powerful piece in the game. It can only move in any direction, in any rank. Like this,
Next one is the bishop. Bishop moves in any number of squares on either side of its diagonals. It can hit queen diagonally, like this.
Okay, and this is the rook. It moves in any number of squares on either the horizontal or vertical. Like this, so it can hit the bishop. Okay, it's my turn. This is the king. The king is the most important piece, but it can only move 1 square at a time in any direction naman eh. Yeah, I will eat you na. Ah, yes. I'm the winner! Wake up! Wake up!
Wake up! Wake up!
We're done na. Did you learn ba? I didn't understand. It's okay.
It's okay.
That's how we play chess, ha?
What?
Oh. Now, I will teach you about the game of the generals.
Yeah, game of generals.
It is a strategic game invented in Kenya, Africa by Waki Sereshikwasis. Sorry. The Game of the Generals, also called Salpakan, is an educational war game invented here pala in the Philippines by Sir Ronyo H. Pasola Jr. in 1970. It is designed for 2 players and requires the use of logic. The game simulates armies and war trying to flank and outmaneuver each other. This game allows only one side's plan to succeed. Certain strategies and tactics, however, allow both sides the chances of securing better idea of other plans as the game progresses. Gets? No?
Here are more facts in Game General.
Baby, you're all